Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up the iRobot Braava for the first time. And we're gonna start with this cube, and here we'll need to connect two batteries and simply put them like that. Adjust the plus and minus so that it works. Now we're gonna close the hatch. And this cube we want to place somewhere where it can detect the roof, and I'm just gonna place it on the table right here, like that. We want to power it on and then move on to the robot itself. And here there's a robot and the charger. And we need to connect this charger to the power source using the cable that comes with it. Then look on the bottom of the robot, like that. And there's this thing that is connected to it, and you want to remove it by clicking on those two wheels and pulling it to yourself. And inside you'll be able to exchange the mop, or in this case this one is for a vacuum cleaner. Now if you want to charge it, you can either connect the charger like that, so it sits down on the charger, and now it's charging. And also there's two different ways. There's USB-C and normal charging plug. There's normal charging plug right here and USB-C right here in case you want to charge it. And that's basically the setup done. You just need to power it on and pick the task. So there's mopping or vacuum cleaning. Also make sure to power it on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.